In this video, I am going to show you one of the simple, easy and powerful binary options money management strategy that anyone can use right after watching this video. So without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. So as you can see in my screen, 139 equals to 13. So this is the simple money management strategy. Okay, now don't think it is totally simple like this. Okay, I'll explain you everything. So watch this video till the end. So as you can see, this is the exact money management strategy that you're going to use. Now if you want to invest $13, then you can use this format. If you want to invest $130, then you can just add 0 in here. Okay, and it is your new money management strategy. And if you want to invest $1,300, then again add 0 at everywhere in this place in this way, and this is your money management strategy. Okay, so I will make you understand in 1, 3, 9 and 13 format. Okay, so your total investment is going to be $13. So what you will do is your first trade will be of $1, and if you make profit, you again invest $1. Again, if you make profit, you invest $1. Okay, you keep on investing $1 until you reach the profit, okay, of $26. So for example, you invested $1, made a profit, and in second trade if you lose $1, then you will invest $3. And if you make profit on $3, then again you will return back to your initial investment, that is $1. But let's say you made loss in $1 and you made a loss in $3 also, then you will invest $9. And in case if you made a profit in $9, then you will again go back to this $1 investment. Okay, and again repeat this process of investment until you reach the profit of $26. But if you invest $1, $3, $9 and you lose all the trade, then your total loss will be $13. Then that day you need to stop trading. And let's say today you lose $13, tomorrow also you lose $13, so your total loss will be $26. Okay, so in third day you made a profit of $26, okay, by using this 139 again, and then that means you covered your previous 2 days loss, that is $13, $26. Okay, so let's say you invested $1, you made a loss, and you invested $3. Now what happens is, if you make profit in this $3, then you will cover your previous $1 loss, okay, and make some profit. Okay, similarly if you made loss of $1, $3 also, then your total loss is $4. Now if you invest $9, then you will cover your previous $4 loss and some profit in this trade. Okay, and in a day you need to only lose this much amount. Okay, and if you lose this much amount, then stop trading and don't stop until you reach up to this profit. Once you reach up to this $26 profit, that is 13 into 2, then you need to stop trading for that day and again trade in another day. So this is as simple as this. Now if you have any question regarding this money management strategy, then you can comment below and ask me. Okay, and make sure to hit the like button in this video. Take care. Bye bye.